Today we are going to shoot about 5 photographers with a single model in the same subject and same location. And this is our model, Tripti Sagar.
Hi. Hi guys, this is Tripti Sagar. I'm a Dubai-based model and a blogger. So yes, this is the concept we are shooting over here. 5 photographers and 1 model. So let's see how it goes on, and super excited for the shoot.
Yeah, so this is our photographers here. Hey. So I'm Hassan Pasha and I'm from Pakistan, and I've been invited here to take a few photos, and here I am.
Hi, I'm Kadir. I'm going to use Nikon D750 and 85mm 1.8.
Hi, I'm Alfin Tom. I'll be using Nikon D850 and Tamron 7200 G2 lens.
Hi guys, this is Mumtaz Bahri. I'm going to use the Sony A7 III with the kit lens 2870 3.5 to 5.6.
Hi, I'm Clement. I'm going to use D850 and 24-120 f4.
So today the BTS video is created by Mr. Ajay, and here he is.
Hi, myself I am Ajay. So I'll be doing the video today, and you can see the end product. Bye.
Trust me, we literally enjoyed, and trust me, it was like so much fun working with different photographers in different styles. So I'm super excited to see my photos and how it comes. So hope for the best, and yeah.
Thanks to all the photographers for making this amazing, and especially the model Tripti Sagar. And we will continue this shoot throughout the series, and do keep in touch. The end results will be processed, and each photographer will share their 3 best photos in our end of the video, and you can watch them and suggest which is the best one, and you can comment on the link below.